As human beings, we have fears. This is natural. Sometimes it's even good because certain fears can protect us from danger. Not the fear of failure, though. No, the fear of failure is totally artificial and it's imposed by us when we grow up. I have 3 babies. I observe them every day and I understand they don't have the fear of failure yet. But I'm sure that the environment outside will try to impose them the fear of failure very soon, but I'm ready to fight back. And you may wonder, how can I do that? Well, I will teach them that in order to fight back the fear of failure, which is totally artificial and imposed by adults, skepticals, what you need to do is you need to follow these 4 rules. Number 1, take action. The fear of failure is nothing but a variation of anxiety. You need to take action because anxiety dissipates through action. And the good thing is that at the same time you fix another big problem, which is procrastination. If you solve this problem, you'll get massive results in life. Number 2, understand that perfection is the enemy of progress. Yes, perfection doesn't exist in life. It's another abstract concept created by adults. In reality, you just need to focus on the progress towards your goal. Number 3, enjoy the journey. Again, observe the babies. When they are focused on their games, they really enjoy what they are doing. They don't want to be interrupted. Why? Because they are in the zone. Yes, when you are completely focused on the process towards your goal, you enter the flow, you enter the zone, and that's the place where we need to be all time. Number 4, shift your mindset and replace the negative emotion of fear with the logic of learning. Yes, you need to understand that if you want to arrive at a certain result, you need to become teachable again. Like the babies, you need to become again able to receive the information and use it. If you follow the adults, you won't arrive anywhere in life because they are skeptical and they simply refuse to learn new things. They believe what they learn, and there's nothing more to learn anymore. No way. That's not the right mindset. You need to become teachable again. You need to unlearn wrong concepts, relearn new ones, becoming an expert, and that's where the success is. So if you are ready to start this process of unlearning and relearning new concepts, I have amazing bootcamps for you, totally hands-on. You'll start from scratch and you'll arrive to a massive success. Schedule immediately a Zoom session with me.